Kia ora, welcome to Aitutaki. Day 3, we're leaving this place. We just finished packing, dropping off our bags into the cars, and now they're waiting for us. Yeah. Bye bye house. You've been good to us this past few days. So good. That's what it looks like, guys. The bag. For breakfast. Next door. Wait. Where? Next door. Where I'm coming with you, Ben. Well, that's just sitting scared.
Sorry, Lily, 2 steak and cheese, please.
My auntie blocking the road. I know. I actually was thinking, oh, we're allowed to park like this. Only in Rarotonga. Oh, it's not gonna be the first bite anymore. Alright. The second bite best. No, I already had the bite, guys. It's alright. Bye.
See you next time, Lee.
I
Well, you when our flight gets delayed and you're stuck there.
Wait, we should do a break and be like, we didn't end up coming. At the domestic, we're flying out to this place. Aitutaki. You excited here?
I'm very excited.
Thank you.
Sorry, this one.
Oh.
I'm good with Moki Mangaya. It's just not Raro. It's like, you know, we always say like Raro is kind of like Auckland.
Guys, I have found my family. I was like, no, I had to figure it out.
Talk to as many people as you can.
Yeah.
It will give you all the information. Strickland's one of the biggest families. So
Wow. That's so crazy.
Are people good with like family history and
Yes.
like
Oh, it's very, very important. Yeah,
very
to know.
important to know.
Especially when it comes to land marketing.
Yes.
You
Go up to Ministry of Justice as well.
Okay.
And go and talk to her. They do all the land courts and all that kind of stuff, but they can point you in directions
To, like,
of people that
oh my
can give you some history and stuff.
God.
So you could come away from here knowing exactly
Where?
you're from, where you fit in.
I just got goosebumps.
Well,
I just got
Auntie
goosebumps.
Vicky, where you're staying,
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty sure they're Strickland too.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure they are. But yeah, so they just had the big reunion last year.
That's crazy.
People came from all over the world actually.
It's a big family.
I tell you what, if you find someone and they will embrace you and you will be taken in.
straight away.
I love that.
Actually, I feel we will be in Raro.
I don't know many people. Gosh, guys, come take a tour. Wow. Like, this is our front yard. Guys, this is our front yard. What in the what? Oh my gosh, it's so blue. And the water's so blue. Oh, there's hammocks there. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Oh, guys, oh, there's a bit of an uffy going there. But, wowzers. Oh my gosh, an island girl back home. Oh, two island girls are back home. We're back home. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Like what? There's little fishes in there too. I don't know if you can see them, but they're inside. Wait. That's our bungalow up there, which you'll see later. Yeah. Hi guys, we are here in Aitutaki. Right next to the beach. We were in the hill, now we're in the beach side of Aitutaki. One thing that my mum reminded me was to watch out for falling coconuts. So, Mum, I'm sorry. Just look at that view.
Check out the hammocks.
Yeah, okay. So we're just going all the way. Oh, let's go all down there.
Are you gonna bring Zacchaeus back?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is nice, guys.
Come guys, come. Oh wait, what's that? Our friend here.
Yeah.
I'm starting to find it a little bit cooler. Awesome. Sure, thank you. Enjoy, guys.
It's nice.
She's giving the me a throwback to FSY's cabin thing.
Oh, it is it?
The trauma.
Yeah. Oh, this is a nice. Oh, this is one of the nicer bathrooms.
I love how they have hibiscus on almost every counter.
Hibiscus.
This is a nice place.
Oh, I want to wash my hair with that.
Period. Come guys. Thanks, Lina.
You're welcome.
Aww. Oh. You guys like leave little review type things. That's so cute.
Cool. Oh man, that hammock was too good.
That's how cute it is.
I love this. I love this. This is nice.
That's pretty. Guess we'll be riding our scooters here all the time.
Yeah.
Why? What happened to your ones?
No, ours is nice
Ours,
too.
yeah.
Oh, we want to come to yours now.
Okay.
Once we get our scooters, let's go come check it out.
But guys, that's our.
I can reach those coconuts.
Huh?
I can reach those coconuts.
You just need a stick to open it up then.
Okay, guys. Strike one like Okay, now it's like Villa. Global warming. Oh, Indonesian! Just ask the question. Like, how do we get? so right now, walking. Gonna do the island route of Aitutaki. You're fine. This is my island.
Oh, hey.
This is me and Lina and Kayulani. No, it's Kayulani and Lani. Said Lani about our island.
Lani. I did the same thing. I love you. I love
Next
your
minute,
island.
you're actually from this island.
I actually have no. I literally checked my family history. I don't have any Cook Island. I just have Samoan and Scottish.
You know, guys, it's important to do your family history. Also, the month of August is the month of family history, so it's so fitting that we're doing all of this right now. So we're getting photos and mama couples.
Yeah. Right. Turn on. Hands on your brakes.
Guys, what on earth are we? Are you right, Sully? Guys, Sully. This is nice. Let us know when you're ready. We'll go eat. Yeah. Let's go. Huh? Faster, Emma.
Oh, sorry.
Good job, guys. Amazing work. Let's. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are here at. I don't know what this place is, but. Turn in. That house, I think it's this house that Lonnie. Lonnie, is this the house you're talking about? No idea. Oh, wow. Oh, guys. This is the Aitutaki chapel. Very similar to the one in Rarotonga. I think that's just the font. Oh. Yeah, the font. That's the font. Wow. And then there's the chapel here. Yeah, look at the font. It does. And then there's branch president's office, the whole cultural hall, chapel, primary. Chapel. is for the view of Aitutaki.
I wish we spent a Sunday here.
Yeah. Kia ora. There's a police car. Oh, maybe here? Yeah. Yeah, wrong side. Oh,
wrong one.
It's okay. Hello. Kia ora. It's so peaceful though, wait. And then this is, oh wow. Sionata. Wow, stained glass windows too. I've never seen that in real life. Oh, this is where we were before. And then we went straight up that hill. And this is like around. No, Puladiki. This is town center.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're just.
There's that shop.
Oh, that. Superstore?
Oh yeah, maybe. Are we allowed to park from here? Kia ora. Is there any food like hot meals here? Hot meals? Like chips, hot chips or anything? Oh, it's all gone. Is there anything around here?
Lafake restaurant, they sell
Which one?
chips and lafake.
So just up there. Okay guys, we're getting hangry. Something's in our...
Your shop open?
We're all... Hello. Kia ora. Do you have a menu? Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's burgers. What's your most popular item?
Bus burger, but sorry, bus burger and finished.
Oh, because it's that good.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, but there's other meals as well, like the chicken fried rice. Hey, we're just finishing. Say hi, everyone. We need this. A must for Aitutaki, because Aitutaki has way too much mosquitoes. What else are we getting? Nothing else. Oh, that's so cool. Hurry, it's good times. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, guys, we're hoping we're gonna try and do a night in. Oh yeah, look, it's stuck to it. Okay, put. No way!
Look at that, guys.
Wow.
We have a bed and we can watch a movie.
We have a fold out bed. Oh, there's like 2 beds then.
Oh, both of us. Just come watch a movie. Have showers first then.
Yeah.
Come watch a movie. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love this. I really love this. I love how cozy it is.
Oh, let's do this one. See, lucky I listened to the lady, eh?
Mm. Yeah, she listened.
I listened.
And she did it.
And she did. Let me listen. Unlike our scooter riders earlier today.
Oh, but
No, I'm talking about the first thing. As soon as they got they received instructions, like what you would have seen earlier in the vlog. All of them went to the field and said, "How do I start the vehicle?" All of them.
because we were just like there, like she was like talking, and I was like, "Yep, yep," and then I was like, "How you doing it?" Like, oh,
Oh, it's so funny. All of them were like, "I don't know how to start it."
yeah. What happens? You don't listen.
Or maybe it's this instructor if all of you guys didn't know how to start it. But yes, guys, this is at least, but they figured it out, so it's okay. They figured it out.
Figured it out.
Well, we're gonna go shower and we're gonna go get ready for our girls' movie night for a big day tomorrow.
Please, weather, be good to us. Please.
If I